Hi, this is Frank from Frank's Tech Tips. We own a 2008 Honda Odyssey, and we noticed this sound in our starter back earlier this year. It's a moaning sound that occurs just when you engage the starter. We brought it into the dealer, and the dealer said that we needed a new starter motor, and indeed that was correct because when it was replaced, we no longer heard that sound. So I'm providing this to you just so you can be familiar with what this defective starter actually sounded like. It's kind of hard to describe to somebody. So I'll go ahead and play it 3 times so you can hear it. Hopefully this has been some help to you if you have experienced the same sound from your Honda Odyssey. Thanks for watching.